going on, YouTube? CSV here. Got a surprise unboxing. This is from Silver Gold Bull. You read the reviews of people saying, "Oh, I got my package in 3 days," blah blah. I always thought those guys are crazy. I've never got it that quick. I placed this order on Tuesday. Did bill payment through my bank. I think Wednesday or Thursday my payment was confirmed. Friday I got FedEx was going to ship, expected Wednesday. Okay, crazy. In 1 week and then wife tells me, boom, it came. Anyways, sweet. I'm looking forward to this because I haven't seen this on YouTube yet. I've been really debating this one for a while because it's not poured, and because of the name, whoa. Oh, just a card invoice again, probably. Silver Gold Bull again. I'll throw it down there. Give them props today. Like this is huge. I've never got an order this quick, so this is definitely gonna get me going with them again. So I got the 1 kilo OPM bar. Figured it was a good price. And actually, since I bought it, silver's slowly been stacking up. So nice. Oh, this just looks sweet. Look at that. One kilogram, 0.9994, fine silver USA. Kind of beveled edges. Recycled metal. Hey. Yeah, that's a great looking bar, and it's heavy. Do my curls with it. Curls for the girls. Anyways, keep stacking, guys. Cheers.